If Figma is showing a network error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether Figma won't load, keeps disconnecting, or shows a connection problem while you're trying to work, these simple checks can usually get you back online quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we want to check if the issue is coming from your network itself. The quickest way to test that is by switching networks. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, try connecting to a mobile hotspot. Or if you already use a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi network. This helps you find out whether your current local network or internet service provider is blocking Figma. If Figma works on another connection, then the problem is likely with your main network rather than with Figma itself. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. A VPN, proxy, or even certain security applications can interfere with Figma's connection and trigger a network error. So temporarily disable anything that changes or filters your internet traffic, then refresh Figma and test it again. If the app loads properly after that, you found the cause. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is port 443. Figma relies on outbound traffic through port 443 for secure SSL connections. So if your firewall or network is blocking that port, Figma may not connect at all. Open your firewall settings, network security settings, or router rules and make sure port 443 is allowed for outbound traffic. If you're on a work or school network, this may need to be handled by your network administrator. Another simple fix is to restart your hardware. Power down your router and modem completely, then wait about 30 seconds before turning them back on. This refreshes the connection and can clear temporary network issues that may be causing Figma's error. Once everything comes back online, reopen Figma and test it again. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will solve the problem. So to recap, switch networks, turn off VPNs or proxies, check that port 4443 is allowed, and restart your router and modem. If Figma starts working again, great, you're all set. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.